So we were just commenting a few minutes ago how it still has the Batwing air cleaner on it. Original motor still in place. Wondering, honestly, if it would turn over or run or do anything like that right away. Did you find the card?
Yeah, I don't think there's anything left of it though. You can just see the Cadillac.
Yeah, the Cadillac thing. How cool. Sorry, William, I'm in your way here.
Here. There's a tag right here, you can get a picture.
Yep.
It goes in box, right?
Okay, so because it's been missing the front bumper, I told everybody wrong. Here all along, I thought it was a 55, but when you actually pop the hood and look at the VIN, it is a 54. Bumpers are completely different, but obviously on this one, bumper is missing. I do have the grill for it. Windshield, like I've said in the past video, is pretty shot, but that's not her specific because of the year. But other than that, the back glass that's curved is good. Interior is not that bad at all. All original. No holes in the roof. Roof is very nice and straight. So a lot of cleanup. Needs new front floor pans, as you guys can see. The flat part, I should say, of the floor pan, not the curved part. So anyway, more videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.